and a very good day to you and to everyone around the globe. I'm the Frugal Gardener. I'm here in the homestead. It's late morning. It's going to 95 degrees today, so I will be brief. This is my next project. This is your weekly Buyer to Build It update of me reusing containers. In this case, I'm back to using the dishpan. The reason why this is turned over is because this is a sneak peek. However, this is Independence Day in the United States, 4th of July. So people are going to be away from their phones, their computers. So I'm not going to do an update this Friday, but because I'm not going to do an update and show you what I'm growing here, next week I'm going to do 2 items. So there'll be this, and you'll probably recognize this. So this is um, a project that I started um, a little over a month ago, and it's time for me to transport these. These are tall enough now. Um, this is Malabar spinach, and I'm going to start moving these in various places. But I think you'll be curious as to what I'm going to do with a couple of these, because it's going to be a continuation of my Buyer to Build It, meaning I'm going to put this in another container that would ordinarily be thrown away. So you guys, if you're here in the United States, enjoy the holiday, and next week we're going to have a 2-for. We're going to do 2 of the Buyer to Build It transformations. Hope you guys have a great holiday, and I'll catch you next week. This is the Frugal Gardener. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys on the next one.